Today I'm tantalising your taste buds with this tasty little snack. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, everyone. Nice to be with you again. Loaded potato skins, a tasty little snack, or even a starter, or with a salad, a main course. They're so easy to make, there's nothing complicated, and when it comes to taste, they're absolutely bursting with flavour.
First, 2 or 3 spring onions, cut into small pieces, about 3 to 4 millimeters. I'm using 2 onions. These are quite large. My cast iron pan goes onto the Weber Q to warm up. Add a knob of butter. When it's sizzling, in go the onions. Even the last one. Fry until soft, stirring occasionally. When they're soft, add 115 grams of baby leaf spinach. Now, I know I'm not going to get all of this in the pan all in one go. As soon as it is wilted, make another addition. You'll be surprised how quickly it wilts down. Tip the wilted spinach and onion into a bowl and set aside. Turn the heat up to maximum. I have 4 baking potatoes. Would have liked larger ones, but these were the best I could find. With the fork, prick the skins a few times to allow the steam to escape while cooking. Place the potatoes directly on the hot grill. They should take about an hour to cook, with the lid closed. While they're cooking, I'm chopping the spinach. Turn the potatoes about every 15 minutes to ensure even cooking. Just look at those grill marks. Now to slice 120 grams of smoked salmon into thin strips, about 4 to 6 millimeters, and then set aside. The potatoes should be done by now. You can always check by inserting a fork. If the inside is soft, they're done. When the potatoes are cool enough to handle, with a sharp knife, cut each one in half. Now scoop out the flesh from the centre, leaving about 2 millimeters of potato lining the skin. In preference to a bowl, I'm using this saucepan in which I'll be mashing the potato. I want to get my mashing tool right into the edges. Not quite so easy with the bowl. The scooped out skins are going back onto the hot grill for just a few minutes to dry out. It just crisps up the edges that little bit. To my pan on the grill, I'm adding 100 ml of milk and a knob of butter. Close the lid to warm up. That didn't take long. Pour the hot milk and butter onto the potato and mash.
Now for that bit of luxury. Double cream.
And more mashing until it's really smooth. Clean off the masher. Don't want to waste any. I want every little bit. I'm adding the spinach and onion and stirring until it's evenly distributed. In goes 125 grams of coarsely grated strong cheddar cheese. Stir it in. This has stiffened up the mixture considerably. A quick grind of salt and pepper. If the mixture was too stiff at this point, I would add a little more cream. But this is just the consistency I want. Finally, fold in the smoked salmon until it is evenly distributed. As you can see, it's quite a stiff mixture. It doesn't need to be sloppy. The last addition of smoked salmon, another fold or two, and that's it. Now to load up those skins. Be generous, pile it high. They're looking good already, but we're not finished yet. Pop them onto a baking tray and sprinkle with more of that grated strong cheddar. I can't wait to eat one. So it's back onto the grill, and I'm going to bake them for another 10 minutes at 220 degrees C. The smell that's coming from these loaded potato skins is awesome. Don't they just look good? Barbecued, loaded potato skins.
Now, if there's anything you'd like to know about my Weber Q or the way I cook with it, here's what you have to do. Just give that button a click at the bottom of the screen, activate and ding the bell, and leave your question in the comments box, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Now, here's a recipe recap. I'd just finished shooting this video when we had friends call round. And I can tell you, these delicious loaded potato skins simply flew off the plate. And only one of our friends was brave enough to go on camera and tell us what she thought of these delicious potato skins. So, take it away, Holly. You can tell she's posh. Knife and fork at a barbecue. Everyone else, it was fingers.
The cheese makes the potato really nice and soft. Nice crispy outside. Gives it a little something extra, and you can still taste the nice smoked salmon coming through as well. It's amazing.
Well, what a compliment. You can't say fairer than that. And they do have an amazing flavour. And these little gems can be cooked just as easily in the kitchen as they can outside on the barbecue. Well, that's all for now. So from me, the dude of the food, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.